Hi there and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will take a look at how can we add the members, add the owners, how can we get the users, and how can we delete the members or the owners from the Microsoft team. To start with, let's talk about Project Secret. Let's go and check who all are the members. If we go to Manage Team, we see we do not have any members or the guest, and I am the only owner. Okay. Now this is to set up the context. Let's go and now write the PowerShell. In one of the previous videos, we installed the module Microsoft Teams. So now first let's import the module. Import module, name, Microsoft Teams. Now that we have imported the module, let's connect to Microsoft Teams. Connect Microsoft Team. We will pass the credential and we will get the credentials from a user. So get credential. Now that we have connected with Microsoft Team, let's get the specific team. So get team, and we will provide the display name, which is Project Secret. And let's store this also in the variable. Let's store this into PS team, which is Project Secret team. Now let's add the member. So add team user. We will have to specify the group ID, which we will get from this PS team object. Then specify a user. I'm going to add a couple of users in this team. I'll add one more user. If you would like to add any user as the owner, you will have to specify a role and then you can mention it as the owner. For now, I'm adding them as the members. Okay, let's add one more user. And I'm going to set this user as the owner. Okay, let's go and hit run. And let's wait for the response. Okay, so now let's go and check. We have two members and one owner. Okay, and there we have it. We have a user which is added to the owners. And then we have Alex and Adele, they are added as a member. Okay, now let's see how do we retrieve all the users from a team. So let's comment this for now. Now to retrieve the members or the owners, we will use get team user, and we'll have to specify the group ID, which we know we can get it from here. Now, if you want to only get owners, you can specify owner. If you only want to get the guest, you can specify the guest, and you can also specify the member. But for now, let's retrieve all the users. We also want to store the users into the variable called users. Now, let's iterate through these users and let's print their some of the properties. For each $user in $users. Okay, let's write host and let's go for user dot name. Also, let's write user dot role, and let us also write user dot, it would be you. Okay, so let's go and hit run. So as you can see, we have got the users. So myself, owner, Diego, again owner, his ID, Adele, and Alex as a member and their ID. So this is how we can retrieve the users of the team. Now let's see how can we remove or delete a specific user from a team. So let's comment this out. So for that, we will use remove team user. We will specify the group ID, which we know we get it from here. And then specify the email address of the user that we want to remove. So user, and then let's specify, let's remove Alex. Okay, let's hit run. Okay, so let's go and check. Click on three dots. Now, even though we have executed the command, you still see members here. Now, I'd like to draw your attention to one of the articles of Microsoft. If you observe, you have the add team user, and this also applies to the delete or remove team user as well. It says this command will return immediately, but the team's application will not reflect the update immediately. The change can take between 24 and 48 hours to appear within the team's client. And sometimes I have observed that it's not only with the client, it's also with the teams on the web, what we are seeing right now. But usually it takes between 1 to 5 minutes based on my experience. So let's wait for some time and we should see that reflected. Okay, let's try one more time. Go to teams, manage team, and now you can see Alex is removed. So I hope this example helped you to understand how can you work with the user management in Microsoft Teams using PowerShell. I thank you for watching the video.